Hello student, welcome back in another video of class 9th biology. In last video we discussed about the structural organelle is chloroplast. Okay, in this video we are going to take a overview of endoplasmic reticulum and Golgi body. So what is the function of endoplasmic reticulum and what is the function of Golgi body? So let me start our new topic, endoplasmic reticulum and Golgi body. Okay, cell organelles we are discussing. First of all we discuss about nucleus, then we discuss about mitochondria, etc. Now in this video we are going to take an overview of endoplasmic reticulum and Golgi body or Golgi apparatus. So first of all we deal with endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, in a cell there are two kind of endoplasmic reticulum is present: rough endoplasmic reticulum and smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Rough endoplasmic reticulum is associated with the outer membrane of the nucleus, okay, and they are having a ribosome on the surface, so they are called rough endoplasmic reticulum. On the surface of smooth endoplasmic reticulum there is no ribosomes are present, so the surface of the smooth endoplasmic reticulum is slippery, so it is called smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, so this is the structure of rough endoplasmic reticulum. If ribosomes are not present, they are called smooth endoplasmic reticulum. The rough endoplasmic reticulum is attached with the outer membrane of the nucleus. Here nucleus is present, nucleolus is present, genetical material is present, so it is called nucleus. Okay, outer membrane is associated with the nucleus or with the rough endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, on the surface of rough endoplasmic reticulum these red dots are present, these are called ribosome. Okay, the main function of ribosomes are they synthesize protein. Okay, they synthesize protein, and ribosomes are originated in the nucleolus. Okay, they are originated into nucleolus. Okay, nucleolus, they are originated into nucleolus. Now they are come into the outer surface of the rough endoplasmic reticulum. In rough endoplasmic reticulum, the tube-like structure, you observe a tube-like structure. This tube-like structure is known as crystini. Okay, this is known as crystini. Okay, and between the two wall of the crystini, the space is present, crystinal space is present. It is called lumen. Okay, it is called lumen. And these rough endoplasmic reticulum, they transfer the material to the vesicles or transport vesicle which are associated with Golgi body. So what is endoplasmic reticulum? Endoplasmic reticulum is discovered by Porter. Who discovered endoplasmic reticulum? Endoplasmic reticulum is discovered by Porter in 1945. Composition, they are made up by protein and lipids. They are made up by protein and lipids. There are two types of rough endoplasmic reticulum: smooth endoplasmic reticulum and rough endoplasmic reticulum, RER and SER. Ribosomes are present on the surface, so they are called rough endoplasmic reticulum. SER, no ribosomes are present on the surface of the endoplasmic reticulum, is called smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Now the main function of endoplasmic reticulums are: the first function of smooth endoplasmic reticulum, synthesis of lipids, phospholipids and cholesterol. The main function of SER or smooth endoplasmic reticulum is synthesis of lipids, phospholipids and cholesterol. Okay, detoxification of drugs and poisons. Detoxification of drugs and poison mostly in liver cell. Is done by smooth endoplasmic reticulum, SER. Next function is storage of calcium ion. Okay, they are also responsible for the storage of the calcium ion. These calcium ion helps in muscle contractions. Okay, they help in muscle contraction. So there are three function of smooth endoplasmic reticulum. We revise. First function is synthesis of lipids, phospholipids and cholesterol. Second function is detoxification of drugs and poisons mainly in liver cell by adding OH group, hydroxyl group. OH group means hydroxyl group. Next function is storage of calcium ion, help in muscle contraction. These calcium ion are helps in muscle contraction. In higher classes you study about what is muscle contraction. Myosin, actin fibers are present in these muscles. Okay, they are activated or deactivated by these calcium ions, so you study in higher classes. Now we discuss about the function of rough endoplasmic reticulum. All of you know that ribosomes are present on the surface of the rough endoplasmic reticulum. So the main function of rough endoplasmic reticulum, they help in synthesis of protein due to presence of ribosome. Due to presence of ribosome, and mostly they synthesize membranous protein. They synthesize membranous protein means cell membrane protein is synthesized by these rough endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, so this is all about endoplasmic reticulum, smooth endoplasmic reticulum and rough endoplasmic reticulum. Now we move on. Second cell organelle is Golgi body, Golgi apparatus. Okay, the Camillo Golgi discovered this structure, so the name is given Golgi body or Golgi apparatus. You observe the structure on the board. Okay, so these structures are known as vesicles. Okay, the surface beyond to the nucleus is known as cis phase of the Golgi body. Okay, the surface beyond nucleus and the surface direct to the cell membrane is known as transphase. So there are two phases of the Golgi body. First is cis phase, okay, and second one is transphase. Transphase are also having some lysosome vesicles. Okay, so Golgi body, they accept the material from the rough endoplasmic reticulum and smooth endoplasmic reticulum, and they secrete these material outside the cell throughout the cell membrane. So the main function of the Golgi body is secretion of the material, secretion of the synthesized material which are synthesized inside the cell. Okay, so these material are synthesized in the cell, they come out through Golgi body outside the cell. Secretion of protein, secretion of lipids, these are occur in the Golgi body. Okay, Golgi body having composition protein, they are made up by protein, lipids and some enzymes also present in the Golgi body. In human sperm, one acrosome region is present, and this acrosome is formed by Golgi body. In this acrosome, some lytic enzymes are present. When fertilization occur, these lytic enzyme penetrate the ovule or ovum membrane to enter inside the egg. Okay, so Golgi body is responsible for the formation of the acrosome in the sperm, okay, human sperm, and so some lytic enzymes are also present in the acrosome region of the sperm. Okay, if Golgi body plus vesicle, Golgi body plus vesicle is known as Golgi apparatus, is known as Golgi apparatus. The main function of Golgi body is transportation. We discuss about this. Transportation means they transport material from the cell to outside. Modification means they form, okay, acrosome also modification. Golgi body is modified into acrosome in the human sperm, and they are modified into plant cells, so they are known as dictyosome. Okay, in plant it is often called dictyosome modification. Okay, next is packaging. The next function of the Golgi body is packaging. Material like protein, lipids, carbohydrate, all are packed in the Golgi body, and now they are transferred outside the cell. So the main function of Golgi body is transportation modification, packaging. Okay, in plant cell the Golgi body is known as dictyosome, often it is also called as dictyosome. Okay student, so today we discuss about endoplasmic reticulum and Golgi apparatus and the diagrammatic representation of endoplasmic reticulum and Golgi body. In next video we discuss about the rest cell organelles. So thank you students for watching my video, and make notes also in your notebook.